grab your popcorns. It's going to be a little long video, so do watch it completely.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So a few weeks back I had posted in Instagram like I miss traveling. So do you guys miss traveling too? Yeah, I know that. So अभी ये pandemic situation है and we can't go out, but there were some memories which we created before this COVID, and वही मैं आज दिखाने वाली हूँ. I'll show you the places when I visited when I had been to Agra Jaipur trip like 4 years back. Unfortunately guys, I don't have any videos, but I do have pictures, and there were few places where I couldn't take pictures because it was prohibited. So I have taken some images from the Google and I'll try to show you those pictures, and I hope you'll enjoy this video. So stay till the last and watch the complete video. Chalo, let's get started. So let me start with who all were there in this trip. So it was my family, like my mom, dad, sister, my niece and my chichu, and my aunt, uncle and my two brothers. So we all went together by train. We went by train. So firstly we went to Shirdi, which is in Maharashtra. You guys might be knowing this place. So it's like every year we go to Shirdi to seek Baba's blessing. So that's why we went there. And we also visited Shani Shignapur, and that is like 60 kilometers from Shirdi, I guess so. So the next day we headed to station, Manmar station, and we took train to Agra. So the next day of that, we reached Agra like at 7 a.m. So next day when we reached Agra, we were waiting for our travel agent to come. So उसी टाइम पे थोड़ा फोटो सेशन चल रहा था. So that's what I'm going to show you the first picture. So this is the first picture. Like there are actually more than 900 pictures, but I'm going to show you only like maybe 100 or maybe less than that. So in this picture you can see that I'm hiding my face because I was looking like a patient. I just got up from the sleep and my face was all sleepy, and that's why I just did like this. So this is the second picture here. This is a family, and my two brothers are missing over here. I guess one had gone to see whether the travel agent had come or not, and another was taking this picture. So this is that picture. So after taking that picture, our travel agent came and we had to go to hotel. Like he took us to the hotel and there we freshed up, and after that we had to have a breakfast. So he took us out. We had street food, which is like very famous in Agra. That is called as Bedai Puri with aloo masala something. So it was like very tasty. So if you ever go to Agra, please to have that because I feel it is, yeah. And make sure that you have it with jalebi because that makes the whole foodie vibe. So after having breakfast, we went to Fatehpur Sikri. So that was the first place where we went, and this is one of the picture when we were traveling. Oh god, this is kind of blur, but yeah, there is memory in this. So then we reached Fatehpur Sikri, and there we hired a guide who will tell us about the whole Mughal structure. So this is one of the picture we took inside. So this is my dad and my niece in this picture. So these are some of the pictures which I took inside. And here comes the family picture where we took, and this is like perfect. So here comes the funny pictures. I don't know हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे थे exactly. I guess we were trying to jump and take a photo or something like that. So this is the whole family picture which we took inside the Fatehpur Sikri, and you can see the mosque behind. So this is so beautiful, like it's made of marble and itna acha hai na andar se. Like if you go to Agra, please to visit this place. This is wonderful. And also make sure that you hire one guide when you go inside, because if you just keep looking, you won't understand what it is and what it was like. So this you see, this is Buland Darwaza, and when you go there please do take a nice picture of this, like अच्छे से खड़े होके एक अच्छा सा पिक लेना, because I didn't take the picture, you know. So when I had been here there was some funny incident that happened. अभी मुझे funny लग रहा है, तभी बहुत sad, तभी तो मैं रो रही थी actually. So what happened was I was wearing a goggles and that I actually kept it, you know, over here, and मैंने जब bend किया ना, that like fell and it broke. It was like very costly one, and उस time पापा ने मुझे डांटा. So because of that मेरा mood थोड़ा off हुआ था and I didn't take pictures. So after coming from Fatehpur Sikri we went, had our lunch, and then we went to Red Fort. So this is one of the image that you see here. Oh, so this is Red Fort. So यहाँ से ना you can see the Taj Mahal, like I'll show you in the pictures some of the images which I took inside. So here you see this is Taj Mahal, you see over here. मैंने ऐसे हाथ पकड़ के ऐसे फोटो निकाला था. I guess it was me or my sister, I exactly don't remember, but yeah. After going to Red Fort we headed to Taj Mahal, and this is the entrance of Taj Mahal, like this is like this, and this is the images we took in front of the entrance. This looks more like the Buland Darwaza which I saw in Fatehpur Sikri, don't you agree? This is the Taj Mahal. उतना clear picture नहीं मिला क्योंकि I went in the evening and I couldn't get a clear image of this. This is a closer picture of Taj Mahal. You can see. Yeah, this is the entrance. And here you see me. Oh God, what image is this? So that was for first day. Like it was already evening and we were already tired because of the journey, and that's why we headed back to hotel. And next day we had to go to Mathura and Vrindavan, and we had to leave evening to Jaipur, so that's why we took rest. So the second day of trip we went to Mathura and Vrindavan. So I'll show you the images of the temple which we visited. So here is the image. So this is the Krishna temple where we went. So you guys might be knowing this is the birthplace of Krishna. So when you go to this temple, please do have peda, because peda is very famous in Mathura and it's like very tasty. So do have peda there. So the temple image which you saw, so that was taken from the Google, because taking pictures were prohibited, so that is why. But शायद बाहर से ले सकते थे. Why didn't I take? So after that we went to Vrindavan. I visited like almost like 4 to 5 temples I guess in Vrindavan, and I don't exactly remember the place, I mean the temple names, but yeah, there was one temple which I remember. So this is the image of that. So whenever you go to Vrindavan, make sure that you are aware of your things, because there are many monkeys over there and they might take your stuff and they might try. So that is the thing, because ऐसा हुआ था मेरे साथ. My dad's specs was taken by a monkey, but उसने वापस किया क्योंकि a person told us to put something to eat, like उसको कुछ दे दो खाने के लिए, and after that he left the specs and he took the chips and he went. So this is a picture after we visited so many temples. देख सकते हैं हम लोग को कैसे बना के रखा है. Oh my God, look at my dad. So after going to so many temples, we had our food, and after having food we left to Jaipur. And see, this is one of the image you see here. I don't know Jishu क्या कर रहे थे. After we reached Jaipur, we first headed to a hotel. We stayed there. We didn't go anywhere on that day because it was already night. We reached around 8 or 9 something, and we freshed up, we had food and we slept, because next day we had to go out. We had to visit so many places. So the next day we got up early, and me and my Chichu, we went to the terrace of the hotel and we started taking pictures. And this is one of the image, and this is one of my favorite picture in Jaipur. Okay, this is Hawa Mahal. You guys must have seen this image which I posted in Instagram also. So then we went to City Palace. So this is that, and I'll be showing you the images which we took inside. So next we headed to Jantar Mantar. So there you have all the celestial bodies in the form of architecture, and it's very nice to see those. And these are the images here. You see, I don't have much pictures actually, but yeah, it was really nice to see all this. And if you go to Jaipur, please to visit this place, Jantar Mantar and City Palace. And there is another place where you have to go, that is Amer Fort or Amber Fort. So after coming from Jantar Mantar, we saw that there was a place where people were getting dressed like Rajasthani and they were taking pictures. So me and my sister also took pictures like that. But अभी मेरे पास वो picture नहीं है. I don't know where it is actually. But yeah, if you go there, please do get dressed like that, take nice pictures. So उसके बाद हम लोग खाने के लिए गए, and after having food, we headed to Amer Fort or Amber Fort. Yeah, anything, whatever you call. So it is Amer Fort or Amber Fort, it is the same. So we went there, and this is the image over here. So you see, I've been in so many places over here. So whenever you go there, make sure that you take a guide, take some person, so that he'll tell you everything and each thing about the place. So in Amer Fort we hired one guide, and that guide told us everything about the palace, and it was so nice to see all those places and the things what he told. So these are the images over here. It looks so beautiful. So this is the family image you see here. But sometimes you can't trust those guides too, because क्या हुआ था कि this image which I'm showing you here, so यहाँ पे बड़ा सा कढ़ाई है. So other guides were like telling that ये राजा के ज़माने में इसमें खाना बनाते थे and all that. But our guide, he told us that this was left by those people who came for shooting here. Like जोधा अकबर के टाइम पे यहाँ पे shooting हुआ था. So that time they had left this thing and they had gone. But the other guides were telling that oh ऐसा हुआ था. See how much they fake it. So you really don't know whether they are actually telling us truth or no. But the person who was with us, I feel he was very kind enough and he told us many things. So in this fort there is a secret underground tunnel जो like war के time पे बहुत use करते थे शायद. And I couldn't go there because it was already 4:30 and they told that it is going to close, so that's why I couldn't see. But I went a little inside and I saw what it is actually, and it was so beautiful. I actually wanted to go, but it was already late, so that's why I couldn't go. But make sure that if you want to see that place, you do come early and visit that place. So after coming out from Amer Fort, we saw Jal Mahal. This you see here. This is the image. And yeah, I also purchased like 2 earrings near the Amer Fort. So if you ever go to Jaipur, please do buy earrings, because वहाँ की जो design होती है ना वो बहुत अलग होती है and it's so beautiful. So if you ever go there, please do get nice earrings. So guys, after this we had to head back to Agra. So हम लोग को निकालना था बहुत टाइम हुआ था, like it was already 6 o'clock or something. And रात से होने से पहले पहुँचना था वहाँ पे. And next day we actually had train. So that's why we left. So next day morning we went to shop to get pedas, and if you go to Agra too, buy pedas because those are yum and those are very famous in Agra, so do buy it. And that came into our trip. So it was like again 2 days of journey, and after that we reached my place, that is Karwar. So this was it guys, this was the video. And if you ever go to Agra Jaipur, so make sure that you don't actually take travel agent, because वो बहुत ज़्यादा महंगा होता है. Like हम लोग को बहुत ज़्यादा कॉस्ट हुआ था. सो इफ़ यू गो देर एंड इफ़ यू आर मेकिंग एनी प्लान्स टू विजिट एनी प्लेस, फर्स्ट what you have to do is you have to plan it properly. उसके बाद आप गूगल पे नहीं तो यूट्यूब पे सर्च करो प्लेस के बारे में कि हम लोग अगर आगरा जाते हैं तो कहाँ कहाँ जा सकते हैं. यू कैन बी अ ओन गाइड एंड यू कैन एक्चुअली गो टू प्लेसेस, क्योंकि ज़्यादा पैसे खर्च भी नहीं होंगे आपको. एंड अबाउट द होटल एंड फूड, यू हैव गूगल मैप्स, यू हैव एवरीथिंग. एंड अभी तो जियो का ज़माना है, सो यू कैन बुक इन दैट. होटल्स यू कैन बुक इन ट्रिवागो, मेक माई ट्रिप, बहुत सारे ऐसे ऐप इसमें आप बुक कर सकते हो, बहुत आसानी से मिल जाता है आपको. एंड अबाउट द कैब एंड ऑल, यू हैव ओला, उबर, सो मेनी थिंग्स. So this was it guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and I'll be back with another travel video coming soon, so stay tuned and thank you for watching this. So meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.